Capital letters are used for names like mine, Rhea. They are used for a lot of other things too. Titles, like Queen Rhea. Titles of books, like Little Red Riding Hood. Names of places, hey-ya, like the Kids Club. And for days, like Monday, and months, like January. This is how you write the date. Monday, March 9th, 2020. The day of the week, Monday, and the month, March. Both start with capital letters. Tap the day of the week in the date. Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Wednesday. Good job! Tap the month in the date. Saturday, September 23rd, 2017. September. Good thinking. Oh no! This date isn't capitalized. Can you correctly capitalize the date? Thursday, July 5th, 2018. Thursday, July 5th, 2018. Good work! Can you correctly capitalize the date? Tuesday, January 15th, 2019. Tuesday, January 15th, 2019. Great! Which date is correctly capitalized? Friday, November. Great job!